Welcome back. Let's look at example 1. Craig wants to buy a house worth 1.8 million. He's going to pay 20% deposit and take out a loan for the balance. So he's going to take out the loan just for the balance, which he will repay over 25 years. If the interest charged on the loan will be 9.6% per annum compounded monthly, how much should Craig expect to repay monthly to settle the loan? So what are we looking for here? We're looking for X, isn't it? Remember we said that the formula for present value annuity is P is equal to X, 1 minus 1 plus I to the power negative N, all this over I. We have P. How do we get our P? He's going to pay 20% deposit. So he's not going to take the whole 1.8 million as a loan. So we need to get the loan amount here. So how do we do that? We can find 20% of 1.8 million, right? This is 1.8 million, right? We calculate that. It is 360,000, right? And then you can say 1.8 million minus the deposit, which is 360,000. All right, and then what do we get? 1,440,000. This is the loan amount. This is our P. So this is our P. That's the loan amount. I is equal to 0.096 compounded monthly divided by 12. And then what we have next? N. You repay over 25 years monthly. So it's going to be 25 times 12. We're looking for X. Let's substitute into our formula. P is 1,440,000, right, is equal to X, and then 1 minus 1 plus 0.096 over 12 to the power negative 25 times 12, like that. And then all this over 0.096 divided by 12. Right, what you can do, we can put this whole thing in the calculator as it is. Put this in the calculator, and then we remain with 1,440,000 is equal to X. And then this whole thing in the calculator will give you 0.908411622. Don't round off during calculation. Use these values as they are. Then divide both sides by this. 0.908411622, and then we'll get that X is equal to 12,681,4758 before rounding off. So X is equal to 12,681,48. That's what Craig must pay every month.